Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back. I'm so happy that you joined me again. Today it's going to be again a video of another Facebook group, Art Joy of Sharing. I'm going to put the link down below in the description as usual, and it's about water mediums, and this month March is about exploring, and I recently did buy some gouache paints. I'm really new to those kind of paints and I thought I'd give them a try. My main love is still acrylic, but I like to try out other mediums too. And I also add like the Stabilo All, which is water soluble too. So I was drawing some fancy flower shapes, and I do have like my water here, and it is size 8 round brush, and I think I'm gonna do some red orangey flowers. I think I need a spot where I can put the color. I don't mind that orange, but I didn't want it the black. So what do we have here? We do have, and I did buy just one set and try to figure out how I like it. So far I wasn't really lucky, but maybe it's just because I'm not used to them, who knows. And we have a Titan Gold Ochre. That's a little bit much. I didn't want that much, but oh well. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I have no idea. Just trying to have some fun. And of course the black from the Stabilo gonna bleed in, which I actually want to use for my advantage, so it gives a little bit of shading. So far it doesn't seem to cover up the black from the Stabilo All. Wondering if I add a little bit more pigments, that makes the difference. Okay. Just curious who else does play with gouache. Or did you? I mean, there's a lot of videos going on exploring the gouache, and I tried to withstand for a while. But now, from my understanding, when it is dry, I still can go in with more paint, and then it should reactivate. And I want to try that out. I'm actually gonna add some, I'm probably gonna mix some purple and see what happens. By the way, I'm working in a Strathmore art journal. So I try to add some lighter areas with the yellow to make it a little bit more dimensional. But I should finish this one, I guess. Okay, now I do have blue here already, which turns into mud, but that's not what I want. Sorry about that. And add a little bit, I want the purple. Oh, you can't see it. I'm trying to mix some purple, which seems to be a little bit of a problem. What do we have here? How do I get the purple? That's not purple. Oh, it's a purplish grey, but it's not really purple. I do have like, oh, it's a turquoise. It seems I don't have blue here. What is that? That's, let's try this red, which is more Border Lake Deep, which is more orangey, so maybe that works. We'll see. And that's the only blue I have, I think. No, I have another blue. I do have this blue, which is an ultramarine. That's maybe the better than the turquoise. Yeah, that's looking purplish to me. A little more, rather dark, but it is purplish. White, let's see. So we are experimenting together. What happens if I add white? It turns into grey. I don't like that either. So for me it looks like you have to buy every color you need, which I don't like. I like to mix my own hues. Okay. Green. Again, the green is not quite the green I would like. And everything seems to turn into grayish colors when I mix them. So I try to add a little bit of variety to the green, but again, it's kind of hard. Now I need a background, and I think I go for that. Clean poster, I have the feeling. I just want a light, something going on, not too much. I do leave a little bit of a white gap along the shapes when I don't fill it in completely, just adding some shapes here and there. And then might actually lose some of this red also, just for some variation. Okay, it is nice and dry now. I'm gonna rework the shapes a little bit. I like that style, so give him a little bit more interest, the whole thing. Okay, back to my Posca pen. There we go. I do want add sort of stamens. I'm still, I think I'm gonna do them first in black and then outline them. Let's see how that works. It's actually not bad. Now the Posca pen is an acrylic pen and it works luckily on nearly every surface. That's what I like about them. gonna grab, this is the pin tab 0.7mm, and I think I need something larger. Now that's the bullet tab, which makes per se wider lines already. Yeah, that's better. For what I want to have here. I really want it a little bit more prominent. I'm also gonna go along a little bit like I did with the below, but I do not cross over the stamens. I think I'm gonna try just not a 4B, just a plain 2 graphite pencil. I just feel like I need a little bit more going. It seems awful boring for me. I need more. Let me know what you think. Did you try out gouache? Are you happy with gouache so far? I'm on the edge. I mean, yeah, I'm really liking acrylic and mixed media, so we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.